Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have the half-ton Ram in the studio, and I love this truck. Now we've done everything to it. It's got a supercharger, it's got our adjustable upper fronts, it's got our race series rear control arms and panhard on it, and the only thing it doesn't have is our track series end links. So today we're going to show you how to install these and get them on the truck to really round out the build on this truck. Like I said, it's one of my favorite vehicles in the core arsenal, and today we have it back in the studio, so let's get at it. All right, so we got the truck in the air. We're gonna get into the install real quick. I just wanted to show the difference in end link. Now your sway bar end link is an awesome upgrade just to get a little more firm on the rear end. This helps with body roll to stiffen up this mount between your frame and your sway bar. Now all our end links are made out of 3/4 inch cold rolled steel, so they're quite a big upgrade over the factory, which is about 1/4 inch steel. I don't know how thick that is. Now install is pretty straightforward on this part. It's really just 2 bolts. You got your frame side bolt up here and your ball joint bolt down here on the sway bar. With all our end links for this truck, we do include this spacer to offset this ball joint because we do switch to a direct bolt on as opposed to using this ball joint. Yeah, so it's pretty easy, like I said, straightforward. So we're gonna get right into it. We'll get these ones off, we'll show you a side-by-side comparison, and we'll put the new ones on. There we go. All right, so the sway bar end link installs just like this, and then this spacer is for that offset we talked about. It's going to go between the sway bar and the end link right here. Now when we torque these down, torque spec is 65 foot-pounds, and like everything else suspension, you want to come back and re-torque after a settling period of about 100 to 200 miles. 65 foot-pounds, bolt this together, grease it up, and you're on your way. Okay, that is all for our sway bar end link install on the Ram 1500 we have in the shop today. Now you'll notice they're sitting slightly offset in the air. That is because it is not under the weight of the truck. When we set it down, the track bar will push the axle back over and everything will be sitting vertically and yeah, right on the truck. Now I love this upgrade for the Ram 1500. Firms up the rear end, helps with body roll, and it's just a really good all-around upgrade over those factory end links that we showed you earlier. And if you have any questions or want to look at our other products for the Ram 1500, check out our website, core4x4.com. If you have any questions, reach out. Or if you like the video, please comment and subscribe. That really helps us out. And we'll see you in the next one.